Okay, so I'm going to do a quick video on this person took and tried to wipe their stained cabinets with clear. They tried to wipe it off with mineral spirits and maybe some other cleaning supplies, and you can see how it's made a haze all over the door. And I got a bunch of them to do, but I was going to show how I would go about fixing this. So I just scuff it like this with a sanding sponge, and then after I'm done, I'm going to put it in there. After I blow it off real good, I'm going to put it in there and put a clear over it, and it should turn out perfect. And I'll do some pictures or maybe a video after I spray them too. So it's like this. I'm just doing the front and the edges. Scuffing it up. I don't want to take too much of their stain off too. And you'll see once I put clear on it, it's going to make it disappear. And I'll make another video for that. Got all these right now.